Welcome back to another episode of Dreamedia's Mancave Makeover. I'm your host, Zach, and on today's episode, we are going to transform this room into an immersive home theater experience with a 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos system. Focal is a premium speaker manufacturer that delivers exceptional sound quality with precise imaging and clear dynamic performance. We are installing the Focal 302 on-wall speakers for the front left, right, and center in front of the room, mounted to the wall around the Epson Silverflex 120-inch projector screen. The Focal 302 on-wall speakers are designed to provide exceptional performance in a compact, stylish package. They feature four 4-inch mid-bass drivers, a 1-inch aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeter, which deliver clear, detailed sound with excellent imaging and a wide soundstage. And extremely versatile since it can be mounted vertically, horizontally, on stands, or just placed on top of a piece of furniture. This is personally one of my favorite speakers. Now, let's move on to the surround speakers. We are using the Focal 300 IW6 in-wall speakers, which are designed to deliver excellent performance in a discreet, space-saving package. They feature a 6.5-inch mid-bass driver and a 1-inch aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeter, which provide clear, detailed sound for surround effects such as a car ripping around a corner, background music, or explosions. Finally, we are installing our Focal 300 ICW6 in-ceiling speakers for the Dolby Atmos effects. These speakers are designed to provide precise, immersive sound that puts you right in the middle of the action. They feature a 6.5-inch mid-bass driver as well as that 1-inch aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeter to match the rest of the speakers in the system. Dolby Atmos in home theater adds a new dimension of sound to your movie watching experience. Instead of just hearing sound come from the left, right, and center and surround speakers, Dolby Atmos introduces sound from above and all around you, creating a 3D audio environment. Dolby Atmos also offers a more precise placement of sounds within the soundstage so you can hear details you might have missed before. Overall, Dolby Atmos in a home theater creates a more lifelike, realistic, and immersive audio experience. Focal is one of my favorite manufacturers. They're hand-built in France and they manufacture some of the finest speakers on the market. I have transformed the room that I am currently standing in into a true home theater. On today's episode, we're going to be installing the Focal 302s flanking our screen to the front left, right, and center. And we're going to be installing for our surrounds and surround rears, the Focal IW6. And for our overhead Atmos, the Focal 300 ICW6 for all of our rain and thunder and overhead effects. All right, guys, let's get into it. Now that we have installed our Salamander Designs cabinet, our Epson LS800 ultra short throw projector, our 120-inch ALR screen, as well as our 300 series speakers from Focal, we are now ready to move on to our subwoofers for our deep, low frequency bass. The SVS subwoofers will complete this insane 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos home theater. Stay tuned for our next episode of Dreamedia's Man Cave Makeover.